Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story Grumpy Monkey Play All Day. The story Grumpy Monkey Play All Day was written in 2024 by Suzanne Lang and is illustrated by Max Lang. And it tells the story of a monkey that all he wants to do is play. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. Grumpy Monkey Play All Day. So he's in the jungle. It was a busy afternoon in the jungle. Chimpanzee had to tidy his branch, search for food, clean his teeth, and pick fleas out of his fur. Jim didn't want to do any of that. So it's a busy day, and Chimpanzee has a lot to do. He needs to clean his place, he needs to clean himself, and he needs to look for food. But he doesn't want to do any of that. No, thank you. I kind of like cleaning my branch, said Norman from next door. I don't, said Jim. It's boring. Plus, every time I clean it, it just gets messy again. Ugh, I'm not cleaning anymore. Not even your teeth? Asked Norman. Not anything, said Jim. I'm just going to have fun and play all day. So Jim's neighbor, Norman, says he kind of likes cleaning his branch. And Jim says, nope, not me, and I'm not going to do it, not ever, I'm not cleaning anything. And Norman is concerned. He's not even your teeth? And he says, no, I'm just going to play all day. And there was lots of fun to be had. You should sing with us, said the birds. Jim had fun singing. You should swing with us, said the monkeys. Jim had fun swinging. He's finding plenty of other animals to play with. The birds want to sing. The monkeys want to swing. You should roll with us, said the zebras. Jim had fun rolling. You should stroll with us, said the peacocks. Jim had fun strolling. Rolled with some zebras, strutted with some peacocks. Fun, 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 fun. Having fun is the best, shouted Jim. But then the others had to stop. We have to clean our nests, said the birds. We need to graze, said the zebras. It's time for our nap, said the monkeys. We're an absolute mess. We must go preen, said the peacocks. So Jim has declared that having fun is the best. But then all the animals that he was having fun with, they had work to do. The birds had to clean their nests, just like Jim. The zebras needed to graze. They needed to get some food, just like Jim. They needed to take a nap, probably like Jim. And they needed to clean themselves up, just like Jim. Be boring if you want to, said Jim. I'm going to play with someone else. So he said, fine, you guys are boring. I'm going to go find something else to do. I'm out of here. Ah! And there were plenty of animals to play with. You should kick sand. You should stomp your feet. You should catch leaves. You should jump up and down. You should play tag. You should make a splash. You should roll a ball. You should make funny faces. You should laugh. You should chase your own butt. So he found lots of other animals to play with. A meerkat, an elephant, a porcupine, a a bird and a turtle, a frog, an alligator, a warthog, a gecko, a hyena, and a giraffe. And Jim had fun with all of them. Jim played and played. He was having a great time. But then his tummy rumbled. Maybe we should find some food, suggested Marabou. No, said Jim. Finding food is boring. I'm having fun. So he's hungry, but one of his chores that he needed to do was find food. And the marabou, that's the type of bird, said, maybe you should find some food. We could do it. They could have food together. And Jim said, no, that's boring. I'm having fun. Jim tried to play ball, but he was so itchy he kept dropping it. Fleas, said Warthog. Maybe pick 'em. No, that's boring, said Jim. I'm having fun. So he's trying to play ball, but now he's itchy because one of his jobs was to pick out those fleas. And he said, and the warthog says, maybe you should do that. And Jim says, no, I'm having fun. Jim jumped up and down, but then he stopped suddenly. Bathroom break? Bullfrog suggested. I don't need a bathroom break, said Jim. I'm having fun. So he was jumping and felt like he needed to go potty. And he says, nope, I'm not even going to potty. I'm having fun. That's how you have accidents. You don't look like you're having much fun, Jim, said the other animals. So now every animal's looking at Jim. And they're right. This does not look like what I look like when I am having fun. And the other animals tell him so. You don't look like you're having that much fun. I am having fun, Jim shouted. And then he fell to the ground. Jim was exhausted. He was hungry. His throat hurt. He was itchy and dirty and cold. So he's shouting that he is having fun. But then he fell on the ground because he was tired and hungry and his throat hurt and he was dirty and itchy and he was cold. Womp womp. Playing all day isn't really all that fun, Jim sighed. Too much of anything can be, too much, said Norman. And so Jim did all the things he needed to do. He took a bathroom break. So first, his friend Norman says, sometimes only having fun isn't all it's cracked up to be. So Jim decided he'd do his things. He started off by taking a bathroom break. And his friend Norman gives him privacy and turns away. Animals go to the bathroom outside. He found bananas to eat and even picked his teeth after. So he finally got some food, cleaned his teeth. He took a bath and plucked the fleas out of his fur. His friend Norman seems very happy about this. He's picking off all of his fleas, getting clean. And finally, he tidied his branch so he could go to sleep. None of it was fun. So he doesn't look very happy about cleaning it up, but he really did want to go to sleep. So sometimes you got to do some stuff that's not fun in order to have a good time every other time. But Jim felt great afterwards. How happy he is with his clean nest and his clean fur and going to the bathroom and having a snack break. The end. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed the story Grumpy Monkey Play All Day, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down at the bottom of the page. I put out new read-alouds every Wednesday and Friday, and jokes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So there's a little something different every day of the week. And finally, remember that even though being able to play all day sounds fun, you still got to get your jobs done first. I hope you have a great day and that you play and work, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.